Morning students. Today we start our chapter 6th badminton. First we're talking about the history of the game. That is a badminton history. First, badminton is a very popular and a racket game played by the all category male and female, single and double and all groups also. It is first they played in the Royal Court in England 1873. It was inspired by the Indian game, that is a Pune game, which is playing with the small rackets and with the shuttle. And first Badminton World Federation established in 1934. It is very popular game in South Asia also. Badminton became an Olympic game in 1992 in Barcelona. Badminton Association of India regulates the team selection, taking the coaching to the Indian players. And India has many good players in the history and now. That is Prakash Padukone, that Saeed Mohammadi and Saina Nehwal, PV Sindhu, like etc. Many more are there. Second, that is the latest rule of the game. That is, first, in this game, the player hit the shuttlecock back and forth over the net with the racket. Badminton is played in single, double, and mixed double. Mixed double means a girl boy, that is mixed double. There are two ways in win rally: getting shuttlecock to the hit the opponent side and court forcing opponent to commit the fault. Rally means that continuously they people hit the shuttle it to each other. That is a rally we called. And when if one person getting the fall, that is a committing the fault, and another opposite person can get the chance to do the service. A fault occur when the shuttlecock hit to out of bound. Out of bound means then crossing to the lines, that is out of bound. Touch the court means throw going to the floor, touching the ground court, that is also does not go over the net, means touching the net and remain there on their court, that is also touch the player his clothes and in fingerprint of the rules, etc. A game of consisting 21 points, continuous scoring. It is best three games. Which one player win that? In case 20th point, if two players will consider the deciding the game, continuously pointing scored follow according to the new rule, that is who is serving. If loses the rally, then he will lose the right and to serve the well. 1 point will be give to the another person, that is there. And the point of told love all in the beginning means no point is there, that is the starting from. In single game, all even point service are done from the right side, then half court of the odd point service done left side, and odd court changes of the sides are done by each games. Also 11th point is final game in the girls. Single games. In single games, one player each half player cover the single court area, and own means that their ground will be there 44 by 17 feet. That single person court will they player. He perform all even points and right side of the court side and court like 0 point, 2 point, 4 point, and 6 point. All point service performed by the left side of the court. This service performed by the diagonally of the shuttle and land to the same opponent court afterward rally can go the single court, and continuously service will be there going as usually high service performed by the single. Then double game is there. Double game team are two player, each player against to the each other. They beginning the game with the service from the right side of the court, which is the to be lifted only by the same side player to the opponent court. Means the same which one they are standing on the right side, then front for a person should be standing on the left side. If a win rally rotated, then side next service will be other side and half court. It is also performed by the same player as long they can gaining point also. Good combination team rotate the front back to getting the more chance to attacking the defensive game played by the side to side. There are tips to remember are there. Size means court badminton court sides, and some rules are there. That is a badminton court size is there 44 by 17 meter for the single, and the double for the 44 by 20 feet, including lines also. Height of poles 5 feet 1 inch. Height of net from the center, that is 5 feet. Weight of shuttle, that is 4.74 gram to 5.550 gram, that is, and with the 16 feather. 16 feather means that shuttle have 16 feather there. Width of line, that is 4 centimeter apart. Number of point 21 points in the best of 3 all categories. Number of dues, that is 20th point. Racket 68 centimeter long and 23 centimeter wide head. And official in the game, that one umpire, one service umpire, which one looking for the service umpire, taking all the rules. 4 to 8 linemen, which one is seeing the lines only, and one match referee who deciding the decisions. And free space area, which one both sides are the 2 meter all the side court. Okay, that is the dimensions of the court.